BTC Bulldogs. Latest news and developments. Today we'll talk about their newly released dashboard and some ambitious goals set out on their roadmap, and do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. And this one continues to be our money bag alert. So welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure the bell notification is lit. Like that, you guys will not miss out on any future BTC Bulldog content. I'm calling on the community that's very active in Telegram to come to the Twitter and like this up over here. Literally come over here, like this, retweet this, because we have a fantastic looking chart that we're going to get to at the end of the video, and we need to spread the word of what's going on. Okay, so moving over to their page, gotta give the team a big shout out. They put my video that I did not too long ago on BTC Bulldogs price prediction, and we knocked this one out the park. We're going to go over just a quick little part in this reel. We had a fantastic week, reaching over 231K market capitalization, and our chart looks fabulous. We're going to have to change this up and update this because we literally passed that up like no tomorrow. Right here, we still had a zero. We'll hit play really quick, open this up. We still had a zero on there, and we were at the 31 range. So this is pretty epic. Shout out to the team for putting the video out there. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I am invested in BTC Bulldog, and just because I am doesn't mean that you should be. None of this is financial advice. This is just a project that I like, and I'm liking that they're keeping their word. You know, I always say what you mean what you say. When I did the last video, if you guys did not catch it, go ahead. I go way more in depth of what the project's about, but also this dashboard was not released yet. So I'm really big and bullish on projects that they can keep their word on what they're saying that they're going to do, because then when we move over to the roadmap, things make sense to me, right? That they're knocking these things off the roadmap and they're keeping their word, whatever's coming first. Next on the list is CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. With the way that this chart looks, if we can get trending on CoinMarketCap and get more exposure, especially with these videos, if you guys load it up with comments, smash the like button, that will make the YouTube algorithm get these videos out to new potential investors, and share these videos. Do whatever you guys like. Snip them, use them on TikTok, whatever it might be to get the word out there. But that'll help the algorithm bring people in. Now, moving over to what I'm saying about the roadmap and how they kept their word about the dashboard, how they continuously keeping their word on what they have planned out on their roadmap already, being KYC, being docs, introducing the 2% BitDog Reflections by updating the Smart Distributor, which they've done. That's the dashboard that we talked about. Next is CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Like I said, we get trending on there. That's going to be epic. We got launch on the ETH side, so that's going to be huge. We got NFT play to earn launch on BSC and ETH. Okay, so we got farming coming up. We got NFT staking launch, but this is where it gets interesting to me. BitDog digital wallet, BitDog debit cards, contracts with key partners. This is something that I'm going to be paying very close attention to. Next, we have BitDog blockchain, first meta world NFT game on BitDog blockchain, and phase 6 is going to be launched BitDog's centralized exchange. Pretty epic if you ask me. Load up the comments. I want to know more. Let me know what you guys know. Moving over to these price predictions and technical analysis, you guys can see I got some things set up right now, and that 231 market capitalization got blown right out the water. We're sitting at 103, and I believe this one's going to continue to grow. This chart looks fantastic. When I placed my last buy, right, was when the 15-minute chart first flipped the first dot, right? The first dot, I saw some buying pressure ready to come. We saw the MACD. If you want to add these indicators, right, and make your chart look like mine, also changing the candles, right? Notice how mine's don't. So let's go to the candles. I'll put the regular candles. That looks very choppy to me, right? So it's hard for me to identify higher lows. Is it still possible? Absolutely. Can professionals do it? People who can probably trade way better than me? Absolutely. But for me, I like to put the Heikinashi candles, right? Because it lets me identify very easily what candles are very bullish and which ones. So when I saw this pullback, I let it continue to march, make sure that we're consolidating. I already bought in, loaded up my bag way down there. We'll have to scroll way down to see where I got in. But I just added another bag because I saw some consolidation. I want to see where this pullback was going to go to. But once it started to consolidate and the dot flipped back over on the 15-minute chart, well, I've seen this happen already with BTC Bulldog in this community already several times, where it starts to push pretty hard. We start to see some buys coming in, 4.1 BNB, right around this area, that this dot flips. So it's time to really look at what we got going on right here. Moving over to the 30-minute chart, we can see that we just flipped the first dot. We're getting very close to these all-time highs. After this video, you guys share this video, shield this information. This is great information for this project and for this community. I'm going to call on you guys to like and subscribe, and make sure you guys continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know we'll break this all-time high. Later.